do, let's bring to the stage Miss Crystal Chandelier.
Whoa! Crystal! Come on, Crystal!
Let's give it up for Crystal.
Look at her.
You must understand, the touch of your hand makes my clothes react. That it's only the thrill of boy meeting girl opposites attract. It's physical, only logical. You must try to ignore that it means more than that. Love, what's love?
Hey, Junior. Junior, what's up, bud?
What's love but a second-hand
I thought that was you from the back, but I wasn't sure.
Go, Junior!
If I hit you in the back and it ain't you, I might get punched.
It was me.
And I'm acting confused when you're close to me. If I tend to look dazed, I read it someplace. I've got cause to be. There's a name for it. There's a phrase that is. But whatever the reason, you do it for me. Oh, what's love got to do? It's got to do with it. What's love but a second-hand emotion? What's love got to do? It's got to do with it. Who needs a heart when a heart can be broken? I've been taking on a new direction, but I have to say, I've been thinking about my own protection. It scares me to feel this way. Oh, what's love got to do? It's got to do with it. What's love but a second-hand emotion? What's love got to do? Got to do with it. Who needs a heart when a heart can be broken? What's love got to do? Got to do with it. What's love but a sweet old-fashioned notion? What's love got to do? Got to do with it. Who needs a heart when a heart can be broken? Ooh, got to do with it. What's love? Second-hand emotion. What's love got to do? Got to do with it. Who needs a heart when a
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Miss Crystal Chandelier. I have a little announcement to make.
Go ahead.
Just so you all know, tipping is not just a city in China. The tips generated this evening are going to ARC and the Diva Fund. And so you all understand what the Diva Fund is. The Diva Fund is what pays to put these shows on. It helps pay for lighting, sound, makeup, costumes, productions. Yes, makeup.
Lots of it.
And you see these girls, they need lots of makeup. They all own Stock and Pan Stick.